Hello everyone! If you've been searching for the latest Duolingo promo codes, you're in the right spot. I'm here to guide you, so ensure you watch till the end to capture all the details. First, fire up your browser and head to Google. Type in Duolingo promo code and hit search. As you scroll down through the results, keep an eye out for a reliable source offering promo codes. For our demonstration, I'll click on this specific results. Now, finding the code. You'll land on a page filled with various Duolingo promo codes. Pick one that suits your needs. For today, I'll use the first one as an example. Clicking on Go to Duolingo website should ideally lead you to Duolingo's page with the promo code applied. However, always double check the discount before proceeding with any purchases. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get those Duolingo discounts. If any questions pops up, or if you run into issues, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help, and if this guide is helpful, show some love with thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more handy insights. Have an incredible day and happy learning!